What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. My name's Shane Jaffe. I am the Manufactured Housing Expert. You can check out my bio at homequestsales.com. Right now, we're at El Rancho, which is in Leucadia, Encinitas. This is a tiny home community. We have some tiny new homes available, more coming. Here's one that we put in. There's one we put in. There's some single wides down there. This community is fabulous. We are just blocks away from the beach. Check out the links in the description of this video. We do a tour of the community. You're going to want to check it out. But right now we're going to tour this back porch home. This is a tiny home built to the ANSI building code. It is 8 feet 6 inches wide by 30 feet long. This is a beautiful home. There's another one. One of these two is already sold, so these homes are not going to last long. If you want more information or a tour in person, make sure you call 866-720-2207. These homes will not last long. We are just blocks away from one of the best surfing spots in Southern California, especially San Diego. So let's go take a look around. I really love this shiplap siding with those shutters, those black shutters that really looks clean. The dual pane vinyl windows. This home is very energy efficient, and it is also built to the Universal Building Code. If you have any questions or comments, we'd love to hear what you love about this home. There's got to be some things that you love right here. Let me zoom out for you. Take a look at this. Oh my gosh, over to the right, it comes with a TV. So this is more of like a studio. You could put a bed sofa combo, a futon, a hide-a-bed. There's a lot of different things that you can do. We do have limited square footage, so you want to take that into consideration, but they did a great job with this layout. Check out this window, these window sills. The workmanship on these homes is excellent. Back Porch Homes does a really good job. These homes aren't cheap. The asking price on these, because you get location value, considering we're close to the beach, there's the air conditioner. The asking price is $109,900. Take a look at this flooring. This is vinyl flooring, linoleum, but it is beautiful. They chose great colors. Look at the baseboards. I mean, the workmanship of these homes is incredible. Let me try to get my gimbal back there. There we go. Oh, boom. All right, even the door. I mean, look at the door, the craftsmanship of the door. These are beautiful. These are solid surface countertops, quartz, hardwood cabinets, stainless steel appliances. What a great deal. This is so awesome. Again, make sure you check out the link in the description of the video because, let me back up here, you want to check out and see how close we are to the beach. The gooseneck faucet. Here's what I love. These undermount sinks. These undermount sinks make it so easy to clean. You just get to wipe everything up in there. Take a look at that. That's a washer-dryer combo. This home comes with a washer-dryer combo. What a great deal. Stainless steel appliances. These are Whirlpool appliances. Beautiful. Okay, so most tiny homes are not ADA. This has an ADA bathroom. This is ADA approved. Okay, check out how large this bathroom is. Gotta wave to you guys. Hey. This bathroom is very large and spacious. You can fit a wheelchair in here. There you go. I'm still learning this gimbal. But at least I didn't want to wait till I was doing perfect videos because I wanted to show you this home. We're so excited. So we do have another home coming just like this. Make sure you call 866-720-2207 or check out the links. We appreciate all the love you could give by hitting that like button. We're here for you guys. Thank you.